Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the smart art graphic. Last time we did about the charts. We have just knew about the chart, but today we will know about the smart art graphics. So visual representation of any information and ideas are known as your smart art graphics, and smart art graphics can be used to quickly, easily and effectively communicate any message. So you can copy and paste also the images in the words and PowerPoint. For creating the smart art, you will have to just come on the insert bar again. You will have to choose, means what do you want to make. So for creating the smart art, the first thing was your insert topic. You can see here, that is insert. In this we come into again illustration, then we will come on the smart art. When you will come on the topic, when you will come on the smart art, you can see the various types of shapes are given. So which type of blocks I want to use, I can select it. Like, just I have selected, if I am selected like that one, the first one I have selected, so you can see different boxes of that same pattern I have got on the screen. Now you can see the text are also, the space for writing the text is also given. Now I can enter the text. If I am entering any text here, so that is your first text. Now the second one, if I want to enter anything here, that is your second. You can see they are auto adjustable also. Okay, you can, like, these are especially, they are not used for writing the names. Basically it is for making, if I am making something like, we are talking about a pattern of any industry, so we are just taking any pattern, so we will just name them, कि how many different units are there in the company. So we can say there is a product unit. We can show it with the help of that charts. That is your product unit. One will be your advisory unit. So that smart art is basically gives you the proper representation way. That symbol I have told you, that is for the rotation. If you want to change anything, you will just select that box and you will just rotate it. If you want to resize it, you can resize it. You can change the colors with the help of, you can see, you are saying that is your theme color, means from which color you are writing. You can see I am just moving my cursor and you can see the changes in the colors of this written format. You can see here. Okay, similarly, if I want to change the color of box, it's not color, I just want to change the color of box, so you can see whatever color we are clicking, with the help of that bucket, there is a bucket, it is a color of, like, I'm just selecting that dark color. Now which color of outline I want, if I want the, we can see the outline which is your white color, that is your white colors outline. You can see here, you can see the white colors outline here. Style, which type of a style do you want, in which type the boxes, this is a perfect style with the font, and the type of boxes has been predefined in this style method. That is your smart art pattern. So They are basically used in business criterias. Where do we use it? Where we know we need to make the uh, different we need to make the different types of charts. We need to present our data in the form of proper presentation. So it will give you the effective way. It is the effective way of showing your presentation in the form of smart art. So you can see now I'm selecting the hierarchy. In this we can make the flow charts in the form of flow charts. You can see there is a flow chart. Now if I want to make something if I want to insert, now I can show you a pattern. If it is pattern, it's pattern. In the pattern, what do I want first? Whatever I want in the pattern. If in the making a paper, in doing a paper, if I talk about the pattern, the first thing in the paper pattern has to be reading. Then the second thing, after reading, you will first read you will read the paper, then you will write answers. The second thing will be under reading. After reading, you will just write it, and just you will make the diagrams, and then when you complete your paper, you will do the revision of it. These type of sequences can be made with the help of different in the smart art graphics. You can add different types of these type of flow charts also. In the cycles, you can see the cycle. You must have read about the nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle. You can make with the help of these, because the given text are also there. What you will have to write, you will decide it. Similarly, if any type of process you want to show, the first step, the second step, the third step, you can see here. So you can insert your text according to that. If you want to show the relation between any two, so different types of relations are also given. That is not your basically that is abhi, if you are not that time at present you are not using, but in future you must have know about the different shapes. How many shapes are there? You can use them. You can see that shape. The shapes are here, you can see. Okay, so this is basically smart art graphic. They are used in industrial area basically for showing the different types of relation between the patterns. Then the next is adding a clip art. Adding a clip art, you all know how to add a clip art. You can insert a clip art also with the help of insert and come here again. Okay, I don't have the option of clip arts in my system. So for inserting any type of clip art also, you can just come on the same tab, and you will just click on the clip art. You must have done it in the Microsoft Excel sheet also. You will come on illustrations group, then click on clip art, and then select the collections from which group you want to bring it, and you will press go button, and whichever clip you want from the collections, you can click on it, and you will insert. It will be inserted in your worksheet. To edit the clip, you will just click on the clip, and you will display the format tab, and you can change according to your need by the clicking on the ribbon of your format chart. So you can insert easily. Then if you want, that is the same process, you want to insert any picture, any clip from the, so you will have to go on the illustration group only. In my system I haven't seen the clip art option, that's why I haven't shown it to you. So you see it, read it. Now your chapter has been completed, chapter 8, and I hope every one of you have completed the question answer also. Once I will send it to all of you, so read it and complete the chapter.